Hello everyone, this is Ishika Patidar and I'm here to explain some multiple choice questions of information security. So let's get started. This is the part of my college assignment. Next, first topic is source protection models. Which of the following model provided the strongest level of source protection? And the answer is BIBA model because it is a highly security model that focuses on data integrity and prevents unauthorized modification of data by enforcing the integrity level of subject and objects. It follows the no write up, no write down principle, which means that a subject at a certain integrity level cannot modify it or write to an object at a higher integrity level, and a subject at a higher integrity level cannot read from an object at a lower integrity level. So the answer is BIBA model. Next, which of the following model is based on concept of lattice? And the answer is Bell-LaPadula model because it is a security model used for enforcing confidentiality policies. It is based on the concept of a lattice, which is partially ordered set where each element represents a security level. The lattice structure in the BPL model helps in determining the flow of information based on the security levels assigned to subjects and objects. So the answer is Bell-LaPadula model. Next, which of the following model is designed to protect the integrity and confidentiality of data in a database? And the answer is Brewer-Nash model. It is also known as the Brewer and Nash model or the confidentiality integrity availability model. Is designed to protect the integrity and confidentiality of data in a database. So the answer is Brewer-Nash model. Next, which of the following model is designed to protect against unauthorized access to sensitive information? And the answer is also Bell-LaPadula model. It is designed to protect against unauthorized access to sensitive information. Next, which of the following model is designed to ensure that only authorized users are able to access certain resources? Then also the answer is Bell-LaPadula model. It inherits ensure that access to resources is restricted to authorized users. Next topic is secret and public key cryptography. Which type of cryptography require both parties to have same key? And the answer is secret key cryptography. In secret key cryptography, a single key is used for both encryption and decryption. The same key is shared between the sender and the receiver, and it must keep the secret key from anyone else. Which type of cryptography uses two different keys for encryption and decryption? And the answer is public key cryptography because a public key cryptography a pair of key is used, a public key for encryption and a private key for decryption. A public key is freely distributed and can be used by anyone to encrypt messages intended for the owner of the corresponding private key. Next, which key is used for encryption in public key cryptography? And the answer is public key because the recipient's public key is used by the sender to encrypt the message. Once the message is encrypted with the recipient's public key, it can only be decrypted by the corresponding private key, which is held securely by the recipient. Next, which key is used for encryption in public key cryptography? And the answer is public key. Which type of cryptography is more secure? Answer: a secret key cryptography and a public key cryptography. It means both A and B. Secret key cryptography, also known as Symmetric key cryptography is typically faster and more efficient than public key cryptography. Public key cryptography, also known as asymmetric cryptography, offers additional security advantages such as key distribution and encryption without the need for a shared secret key. Next topic, message authentication codes. Which of the following is the primary purpose of a message authentication code? And the answer is to verify the integrity of a message, because a message authentication code is a cryptographic technique used to ensure the integrity and authenticity of a message. It is generated by applying a cryptographic algorithm to a message and a secret key. So the answer is to verify the integrity of a message. Next, which of the following is used to generate a message authentication code? And the answer is secret key, because it is used to generate a message authentication code. A MAC is a cryptographic text that is generated by applying a specific algorithm such as HMAC. It means hash-based message authentication code to a message and a secret key. A secret key is also known only to the sender and the receiver, and it is used to authenticate the integrity and authenticity of the message. Next, which of the following is an example of commonly used MAC algorithm? Example, SHA-1. Secure hash algorithm 1 is an example of commonly used hash function, but it is not a MAC algorithm itself. While SHA-1 is widely used for generating hash values, it is not recommended for cryptographic purposes due to non-vulnerabilities. Next, which of the following best describes how a MAC works? And the answer is a hash function is applied to the message using a secret key, and the resulting hash value is appended to the message. A MAC works by applying a hash function to the message along with secret key. The hash function takes the entire message's input and produces a fixed size hash value. This hash value serves as the MAC and is appended to the message. Next, which of the following best describe the relationship between the sender and receiver of a message in a MAC scheme? And the answer is the sender and receiver must have the same secret key, because in MAC scheme the sender and receiver needs to share the same secret key. The secret key is used by both the sender and receivers to generate and verify the MAC. Next, which of the following protocol is used to provide secure communication over the internet? Answer, HTTPS. Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure is the protocol used to provide secure communication over the internet. It is an extension of the HTTP protocol, but with the addition of encryption and authentication mechanism. Which of the following is a type of network security attacks that involves intercepting and modifying data packets as they transmitted across a network? And the answer is man-in-the-middle attack. It is a type of network security attack where an attacker intercepts and modifies data packets as they are transmitted across a network. So the answer is the man-in-the-middle attack. Next, which of the following is a cryptographic protocol used to provide secure key exchange over an insecure network? And the answer is TLS. Transport Layer Security is a cryptographic protocol used to provide secure key exchange over an insecure network. So the answer is TLS. Which of the following is a type of web security attack that involves injecting malicious code into a web page, which is then executed by a user's web browser? And the answer is cross-site scripting attack. It is a type of web security attack that involves injecting malicious code into a web page, which is then executed by user's web browser. Last, which of the following is a security measure used to prevent unauthorized access to a network or computer system? And the answer is firewall, because a firewall is a security measure used to prevent unauthorized access to a network or computer system. It acts as a barrier between the internet network and external network by monitoring and controlling incoming and outgoing network traffic. So the answer is firewall.